The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, northwestern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, St. Louis City in east central Missouri, northeastern Jefferson County, south central St. Louis County in east central Missouri, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., multiple areas capable of producing a tornado were observed along a line extending from Sappington to Crystal City, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards including a tornado. This is radar-indicated threat. The following impact are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted includes St. Louis, Belleville, University City, Kirkwood, East St. Louis, Webster Groves, Arnold, Clayton, Cahokia, Swansea, Crestwood, Waterloo, Columbia, Richmond Heights, Ladue, Sunset Hill, Des Peres, Brentwood, Maplewood, and Shrewsbury. This also includes Scott Joplin Historic Site, Mastodon Historic Site, and Gov. Dunklin's Grave Historic Site. This includes the following highways. Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 276 and 277, Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 187 and 191. Take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.